All right, guys, if you want to grow as a community, you got to get out there and enjoy your weekend among the people. So let's see what we got going on this weekend. Book Talk Journals, we've got them, and you should check them out. Get in and challenge yourself to read more. Welcome back, Localtarians. We're here to take care of your weekend fun. We got April 29th, 30th, and May 1st. And of course, that is your Friday, Saturday, and Sunday coming up. So let's get out there, see what's going on in the city this weekend. And let's get ready to hang out and grow our community. So let's go Friday. 10 a.m. Connoisseurship and collecting masterworks of European painting from the Muscarel Museum of Art at Orlando Museum of Art. $20 will get you into this great art exhibit, and it's going on only until May 1st, so make sure you check it out. 11 a.m. Art and Alchemy C1 online. If you want to check out this event and get more information, please check in the description below for all the links to this video. 3 p.m. Joe Class, The Fire Show with Pyro Joe at Old Town. 4 p.m. on Friday, Free Spring Friday nights at the Morse at Charles Hosmer Morse Museum of American Art. And it is free, going on only until April 29th, so make sure you get in there before this ends. 6 p.m. Parking Lot Party at Wally's Bar and Liquors. Come on out to the Mills 50 District, guys, and enjoy a little parking lot party at Wally's. Going to be lots of fun, lots of great music, and of course a few beverages too, so check it out. 6 p.m. Xavier Wolf, Eddie Baker, I Don't Know Jeffrey, Mikey Rotten at The Social. $30 will get you into this amazing music event, so come on out and enjoy some music tonight. 6 p.m. on Friday, Couples Charcuterie Board Workshop at High Society Charcuterie in Oviedo. 6 p.m. Farmers Harvest Dinner Series at Southern Hill Farms in Claremont. $100 to get into this amazing dinner and enjoy some fresh from the farm goodies out there in Claremont's Southern Hill Farms. 7:30 p.m. on Friday, The Great Gatsby at Walt Disney Theater, Dr. Phillips Center for the Performing Arts, going on Thursdays through Sundays till May 1st. $24 and up will get you into this amazing stage production. And 9 p.m. on Friday, an Orlando House Pop-Up, Good Friday at St. Matthew's Tavern. All right, guys, come on out and enjoy this amazing area. You're going to find lots of fun people to hang out with and some great beverages too. So check it out. If you're not done, make sure you get out there and check our Local Love Orlando Facebook page. We do post a new event post every single day on our site. So if you want even more great things, it is a full event post for everything going on in your day. So check it out and let us know what you thought. And also, guys, make sure if you're starting a new journey that you check out our Eat Right Food and Fitness journals. You will find some great options and design covers and lots of fun things. Make sure you ring this bell too, guys, and subscribe so that you never miss out on all our great events. All right, so let's get into it. Saturday. 7 a.m. on Saturday, you run, you pick Blueberry 5K at Southern Hill Farms. Run on the Claremont Clay Roads and then enjoy fresh blueberries and hot blueberry pancakes after you finish. $39 to $47 to enjoy this great breakfast event. Coming out and enjoy your Saturday with a great start. 8 a.m. Ward and Wellbeing Earth Day Block Party going on at Ward Park. 9 a.m. Now hiring event for Orlando Health Respiratory Therapists going on at 52 West Underwood Street in the North Tower classrooms in Orlando. So come on out if you're a respiratory therapist and see what positions they have open for you. 10 a.m. The Great Duck Derby at Mead Botanical Garden. All right, this free event is always so much fun. So come on out and check out this Great Duck Derby for yourself live. 10 a.m. on Saturday, St. John's River Festival of the Arts at historic downtown Sanford. This free event is going to be so much fun. Lots of great art, lots of great fun. Come on out and enjoy Sanford at its best. 11 a.m. National Theater Live, The Book of Dust at Enzian Theater. If you enjoy going to Broadway or going to the theater productions that maybe we don't have here in our town, this is a great way to do it live on the big screen, so come check it out. 4 p.m. Official launch party, Strange Candy Hottest Wing Eating Challenge at the Copper Rocket. Come on out and get lit on some delicious wings. 7 p.m. on Saturday, 152 Productions presents Ivy Paint, Madison Moon, Clarity, Artifacto, and Rain Out at Haven Lounge. Guys, you gotta love our local music scene. We've got so much going on. Amazing music on every corner. Make sure you get out there and support local music today. Check out our Local Love Orlando Sound Off playlist. 7:30 p.m. Night Winds, Chasing Jonah, Neon Nightclub at Will's Pub. Come on out to that Mills 50, grab a craft cocktail or a beer and enjoy some wonderful people and wonderful music. 9 p.m. on Saturday, Cos Rave featuring G Wiz, the hottest men in anime, and more at the Geek Easy. Come and enjoy this amazingly unique rave and hang out with some of the most fun people around. Last but not least, on your Saturday night, 9:30 p.m., King of the Hill at Sax Comedy Lab. Come on out, enjoy an amazing comedy show, and get some laughing in your life. All right, guys, make sure that you get out there and check out some of our small local businesses. So many great markets going on over the weekend, especially Saturday and Sunday. So make sure you check our full list on our Local Love Orlando Facebook page. You're going to find so many great options that we just couldn't fit into this video. So check it out and let us know what you think. All right, guys, you know what that means. It's time to step back and take it down a notch and just get ready to relax. It is Sunday. All right, guys, if you're looking for a little fun that you can do with all your friends, Let's Roam Orlando Scavenger Hunt, you can go to letsroam.com. We'll put that link in the description. It is free. So if you're looking for small group activities that take you beyond the four walls of your local watering hole, Let's Roam is definitely here to help you have a little different type of fun. So sign up for Orlando Scavenger Hunts and enjoy a great time with your friends. 9 a.m. on Sunday, Peach You Pick at Honey Feast Farm. It's free and it's $3 per pound for your peaches. You pick them, you can take them home. 10 a.m., $10 admission day at Orlando Science Center. That's right, only $10 to get into this amazing place where you can learn so much about so many different things. So make sure you check it out, and don't forget to stop off at their great gift shop. They have all kinds of amazing experiments and books and things to take home with you so that you'll remember this event. 10:30 a.m. Drag Brunch, I Love the 80s at Island Time. 11:30 a.m. Sunday, May Day launch event at A La Carte Orlando. Come on out and check out this place that I like to refer to as Food Truck Heaven. Come on in, check it out, grab yourself one of their amazing beers and see what's going on for May Day. 12 p.m. Uncomfortable Brunch. We need to talk about Kevin at Enzian Theater. All right, guys, so much going on. Lots of great stuff for Uncomfortable Brunch. You do want to come and check it out. It is exactly what it sounds like. The most uncomfortable movies, but in an amazing setting. So check it out and see what you think about this controversial movie. 12 p.m. on Sunday, Slammed Babes Summer Bash Show at Desertland Park, Orlando. 2 p.m. Carpet Brunching in Vault 5421 out on International Drive. Come on out and enjoy an amazing brunch with like-minded people in a really amazing bar. 6 p.m. Venture Motel with Timothy Erie, Playkill, and Mannequins at Stardust Video and Coffee. And last but not least, for your Sunday night, 8 p.m. Pulp Art Show at The Falcon, and that is going on until the 1st. It is free, so make sure you pop in, check out all the amazing art that they've got on exhibit right now. All right, guys, other than that, I want to thank everybody for tuning in. As always, we appreciate you showing up and chilling with us while we get your events out. Make sure to check out some of our other great videos. And make sure that you hit notifications when you subscribe down below so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos coming out soon. And of course, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. If you like what we're doing, make sure you drop us a comment and let us know. And if you'd like to see something else, definitely keep us in tune with what you guys are up to and what you'd like to see. If you're a musician, an artist, a comedian, or anything of that type that performs or has a business here in the area, make sure you don't forget to reach out to us here at locallove.space now at yahoo.com and let us know about the events you guys are up to. All right, guys, that's going to wrap it up for the Local Love Report this week. Thank you so much for tuning in, and peace. We're going to catch you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with all your friends.
And hit that bell so you know when we have a new video.